Good boy. Are you offering me some downs? Huh? This is Rush. It's a red merle male. 1.25 blue eyes. Something like that. Baby, come. Baby, come. Sit. Wave. Are you handsome? Yes, you. Sit. Sit. Stand. Down. 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 Sit. Sit. No, that's down. Sit. Down. 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 Wave. Wave. Down. Wave. Wave. Stand. Down. 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 Wave. Wave. Down. Down. Wave. Wave. Down. 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 Pippi, come. Oh, you are there. Good puppy. You are giving me a beautiful down. Puppy, come. Puppy, come. Good. Heel. Good puppy. Good puppy. Heel. Good puppy. Heel. Good. Heel. Oops. Heel. Come. 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 Good. Heel. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Heel. Good boy. That's a great puppy. You offered me a down. Yes, you did. Down. Good boy. Down. Down. Good boy. Yay. And you stay down. Look at you. What a smart puppy doggy. What a smart Porchy doggy. Down. Oh, good boy. What a good boy. What a good fella. What a good fella. I'm just clicking him for staying down. You're never going to get up, are you? What if I give you another command? Yes, like sit. Yes, you're a good boy. I can't see your face. Wave. Down. Stand. Good. Good boy. Down. Yay, good boy, good boy. Sit. Good. You can see he's starting to offer me a down. And that's good. Then you put the word right before the behavior. Down. Good boy. So that, my friends, is a little light bulb. And you got your little paw on my foot. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. You're a good boy. Down. Down. I say he's got it. Yes, you do. You've got it. Sit. Wait. Now I'm going to make your video and I'm going to post it to the website. Everybody's going to want you because you're so smart and so handsome. Yes, you are. Oh, look at that. All right, now I'll add the keyword right before the behavior. Down. And I'm looking down at the carpet. I'm not staring at him. If you stare at him, they stare back and they say, I can outstare you. I'm a border collie. So you just look at the carpet. Look at the ground. So I'm teasing him with it, and I'm going to sit down. Yay! And see how it just connects the two. Connects the word with the behavior. And I'm just doing this to get him up. And show him the food. Down. Good boy. What a smart cookie. Yes, you just slapped that food right out of my hand. Sit.